So my lovelies, it is all finished. This is Orchid Fantasy by Marla Gill from Crafty, and I'm so pleased with how it came out. It was really fun to do. Took a few artistic liberties here and there, and I did go in, as you may have seen in the time lapse, so using the paint markers to go in and do the fine lines, just to ensure that the picture had the detail that I wanted it to have. So these, a lot of people will have heard of Posca. These are a cheap version of Posca, but basically the same. So they're an acrylic paint pen, which when dry are water resistant. If you'd like the link for these, I will pop it down in the description, so you can hop on over to Amazon and check them out for yourself. So as I say, this is from Crafty. It was the first paint by numbers from them that I had done. Really enjoyed it. I've still got another one to do, which I will be getting around to at some point soon. They're a really nice alternative to diamond painting when you want to do something that's a little less focused, particularly one that's got bold sections like this. On days when my eyesight's not great or my head's not great, I was able to work on this and still feel like I was being creative without having the eye strain of tiny diamond painting. So yeah, I just wanted to show this to you, to share it with you. The price for this one, it is a 40 by 40 and currently on their website at $34.80. There are always deals and offers available. I have a code down in the description as always to go check them out. So yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed seeing the process and enjoy the end result as much as I do. So all that remains to be said is please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.